This is a video tutorial on using the app Doceri along with the smart recorder on your smart notebook software in order to make resources for a flipped classroom environment. If you're wanting to create some videos and things like that that students would be able to watch either at home or within stations in your class, you can do that. The first thing that you would want to do to prepare is get all of your PowerPoints, your websites that you wanted to use, any images, all of those things kind of opened and down here at the bottom. As you can see, they're down here on the bottom. Right now I am using the Doceri app and I've already become connected. And so right now I'm just going to click on, there is a hand icon that I'm able to use, and I'm able to move that around and show you some of these options down here. So you'll notice I have a couple of things for making this video that I'm going to open up: Dance of the Plates, Convergent Boundaries, some of those things. So once you have all of the things open that you're going to use for your video, you will go in and use the smart recorder. There's a couple ways that you can access it. First of all, I have mine running down here on my startup menu. So whenever I hover over the smart board down here at the bottom, you can see that it's pointing to the smartboard application. When I click on that, I have some different options here. And the one that I'm going to click on is the recorder. That's where you can go in and record your desktop and what's happening. So if you click on that recorder, you get a pop-up that looks like something that's already up here in my corner that you can see right here. It's already recording. So you push this red button and you just go right from there and it starts recording everything that's on your desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and come over here and show you some examples. So if you were in the middle of explaining about Dance the Plates, you may have a PowerPoint that you're going over and kind of explaining. But let's say you wanted to have the students go in and show a couple of things within the Dance of the Plates. On my Doceri app on my iPad or device, I can go in and click the mouse button. So now I can come in from my iPad and choose. I'm going to choose Convergent Plates, and I'm going to go ahead and push for it to start on the example for it to replay. If I want to stop in the middle of it, I can push the pen and I can annotate on the page, and I can write, we're looking right here. We have two continental plates converging together. So these are convergent boundaries. So whatever picture or whatever it is that you are looking at, you can annotate on, you can stop it so that you have that going on your screen. You can always come up here and pause your recording if you need to pause at any time. So that's one option that you'll want to pay attention to. If I come back down here now, I want to have them look at a different animation, and I can come over and click on the play animation button. So again, I'm just switching over to the mouse option, and I'm going to click on that, and it's going to play this animation. And again, if I needed to stop it and annotate and explain something, I could do that. I could come in here and write, that this is subducting underneath here. Subduction. When you have one that's more dense than the other. So I could be explaining that to the students at that time. When you are finished creating your video, you'll just come up here and you'll push the stop button. And whenever you push this stop button right here, it will ask you to save it to a certain place. You'll save it to that, and it will create an AVI file, which is a video file, and you'll be able to replay that.